Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. This is Todd with Industrial Comfort. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enlarge an already existing hole in your workpiece. Now, the reason that this is so challenging is that it's really difficult to center your bit in the already existing hole. So imagine trying to center this and how difficult it would be to create a hole in the same exact spot, just widening it. Now, for smaller applications, you have bits like these that are called step bits. And as you put the bit into the existing hole will match to one of these steps, and as you drill, the bit will progressively widen the hole with each one of these steps. But in an application like this, it's much more difficult. So let me show you the trick to getting the perfect hole over the existing hole in your workpiece. For this application, I want to expand my inch-wide hole to 1 3/4 inches. So what I'm going to do is take 1 3/4 inch bit, I'm going to put it into my drill press, and if you don't have a drill press, you can use a regular drill. And I'm going to take a piece of scrap wood, and I am going to drill a hole with this 1 3/4 inch bit. Okay, let's move on to the next step. With the template now drilled, I'm going to take a piece of double-sided tape and put it on this little template. Now, you can also just use a clamp. I just happen to like double-sided tape. And what I'm going to do here is overlay this, and I'm just going to kind of eyeball it until it matches what I consider to be the exact diameter around the center hole. Now, all I'm going to do now is use this template as a guide for the 1 3/4 inch bit that we use to drill this hole. With the drill bit now in my drill, I'm just going to place it inside the template. Now, with a hole saw like this, you want to go slow and generally kind of come in at an angle. If not, the bit will tend to grab the wood and buck the drill a little bit. So take it nice and slow. And there you have it. That's how you widen an already existing hole. As you can see, using a simple template like this can take a hole like this and very easily turn it into a hole like this without worrying about centering the drill bit to create that perfect hole. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.